You don't realize that your inventory system is broken until you've actually run out of stock. And now you're rushing to reorder, you're chasing up suppliers, you're trying to figure out what's actually in stock, what's already been ordered, and what's about to run out. And none of that information is obvious without doing your digging. And that's because your inventory information doesn't live in one place. Some of it is in a spreadsheet, some of it is buried in email threads, and some of it you're honestly just remembering off the top of your head. And that is exactly what this Airtable solution fixes. It doesn't just track inventory, it gives you one place where everything is connected, visible, and actually usable. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we help companies streamline their operations using industry-leading portals, apps, and automations. In this walkthrough, I'm going to take you through how you can turn your messy, reactive inventory system with spreadsheets, emails, and memory, and turn it into a system that actually gives you control. We will follow one real scenario from start to finish. Firstly, a product will start running low, which will trigger a reorder, and everything from order to supplier to delivery is going to be tracked in one place. Now, most businesses hit this point and think, all right, we need a traditional inventory management system. And sometimes that's the right move. But what we hear from clients and what we see out there in the landscape is that these traditional inventory management solutions, well, often they're too rigid or too complex for how a business actually operates. And more often than not, they're just simply overkill for what's needed day to day. Not to mention the price tag that usually comes with these traditional platforms. What we have here sits in the middle ground. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what this should look like and why for a lot of businesses, something like Airtable actually ends up being a better fit than a traditional inventory system. Okay, so here we've got a single Airtable base. Inside it, there's a table for inventory. Each record is a product. And for each product, we're tracking things like the current stock level, the minimum threshold, supplier, delivery times, and status, of course. Nothing complicated, but it is structured. So instead of scanning rows in a spreadsheet, straight away, you can see where things stand. And that alone removes a lot of the guesswork. But beyond well-structured data, we also have an interface that brings this information front and center and allows our team to interact with that data more interactively. So let's say we're looking at one item. Right now, it's marked as low stock, and that status isn't something someone added manually. It's driven by logic. If stock drops below a defined threshold, our system updates the status automatically. So we don't have to rely on a human to be digging through our info, through our data, and then updating our records. But this goes further still, because instead of digging through emails to find who supplies this item, each product is already linked to a supplier record, which is through our supplier table. We'll click into it, and there you've got supplier name, contact details, past orders, but most importantly, lead time. Now, you know how long it's going to take to actually get stock back on track. And that changes how you make decisions daily, because the moment something hits low stock, like we see here, you're not just reacting blindly. So rather than just saying, let's reorder and hope it arrives on time, you're now making decisions based on stock level, lead time, and current demand, which is an entirely different level of control. And here's where things usually break down. In a spreadsheet, someone notices low stock eventually at some point. Then they send an email, then they follow up, then they probably forget that it's being handled. And even in traditional platforms, the stock level is handled in the system, but the orders are handled somewhere else. Well, instead, we turn this into a clear workflow within the very same system. When a product hits low stock, it gets flagged automatically, and we trigger a reorder process. Now, that could be customized to how your team works. You could assign it to someone so that they submit the order on behalf of you and your team, or you could actually automate sending off an order request without needing to lift a finger. And because all of that information already lives within the same system that you're managing your inventory, well, we already know what we need, when we need it, and who to get it from without jumping between tabs and email threads. But let's continue looking at the structure of this system because it's super important. Now, we've got separate table for orders. Each order itself is linked to the product, the supplier, the status, whether that be pending, ordered, delivered. So instead of emails email threads being the source of truth, the order itself is tracked in the system, right in there, and automatically tracked when we submit an order. Now, let's say that there's a purchase order or an invoice. Normally that's sitting deep in an email thread or on a shared drive. Here we can see it's attached directly to the order itself and the supplier record. So everything related to that transaction lives in one place. And that becomes incredibly useful later on when you need to check things like history, pricing, or previous orders. Not only is this system a source of truth for our inventory management, but also the documents that tie in to our orders. So when the order gets delivered, instead of someone manually updating multiple spreadsheets, you update the order status to delivered. That itself triggers an automation. It'll trigger the stock level to update and the product status changing to back in stock. So now the system stays accurate without duplicated effort, and it's something that you and your team can rely on. You're not just updating it in 5 places or notifying the team through messages or emails. And at any point, you can look at your inventory and immediately see what's in stock, what's running low, what's already being reordered, or what's out there for delivery. No one needs to ask, did we order that? Who's handling this? Has it been shipped? Is it sorted? Because everything's already visible. It's a source of truth itself. And that's where a lot of time gets saved between digging through your spreadsheets or your data, emailing your team, or messaging a supplier. All that information lives right here in the very one system. And this system changes how you and your team operate day to day, because now you're no longer checking spreadsheets manually, chasing updates across email, or relying on memory to catch issues. Instead, you've got stock issues that surface automatically, suppliers are already connected, orders are tracked in one place, and everything updates from a single action. That means fewer mistakes, fewer missed reorders, and far less time spent trying to figure out what's actually going on. But the difference between something that can kind of track your inventory and a system you can rely on, well, that comes down to structure. And that's the part most people underestimate. So if you're currently juggling between your spreadsheets, emails, messages, and memory to manage your inventory, and you're looking for a system that you can actually rely on, that gives you control and visibility, well, that's something that we help with. There's a link below in the description to book a call, and we'll map out your current process, identify where things are breaking, and design a system that fits how you actually operate. So book a free consultation today with one of our experts and see how we can help your business get streamlined.